You know, the biggest fear for most first time international travelers isn't booking the flight, it isn't getting the visa, it's standing in front of the immigration officer. Just one officer, a few simple questions, and suddenly your confidence disappears. But what if I told you that immigration is actually much simpler than most people think? In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, from the documents you need to carry to the questions you may be asked, so you can travel with confidence instead of fear. If you're traveling abroad for the first time on a visit visa, you're probably excited, but somewhere inside, you're also scared. Questions like, what if immigration rejects me? What if they ask too many questions? What if I forget an important document? Today, let's clear every doubt. First of all, relax. Every day, thousands of genuine travelers successfully cross immigration. The officers are simply checking whether your purpose of travel is genuine. If your documents are correct and your answers are honest, you have nothing to fear. Before you reach the immigration counter, make sure these documents are ready: passport, valid visa, return flight ticket, hotel booking or accommodation details, travel insurance, bank statement or proof of funds, invitation letter, day-wise travel plan, contact number and address of hotel host. Keep both printed and digital copies. Store everything neatly in one folder so you can show any document within seconds. Now, let's look at some common questions immigration officers may ask. Why are you visiting? How many days will you stay? Where will you stay? Who is paying for your trip? When will you return? Answer confidently, briefly, and truthfully. Don't give unnecessary explanations. Just answer what is asked. There are many misconceptions about immigration. Let's separate myths from facts. Myth: immigration always rejects first-time travelers. Fact: genuine travelers are approved every day. Myth: officers are trying to catch you. Fact: they only verify your travel purpose. Myth: speaking poor English means rejection. Fact: simple English is enough. Confidence and honesty matter more. Traveling abroad should be exciting, not stressful. Keep your documents ready, stay calm, answer honestly, and enjoy your journey. If you need professional visa guidance, document verification, or travel assistance before your trip, we are always here to help. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more travel and visa tips, and share it with someone who's traveling abroad for the first time. Every journey begins with the right information, and we are here to make your travel experience smooth from start to finish.
FlyWithSVS.com. From paperwork to planes.